Alright, is it recording? Yeah, we're on. Okay. Let's turn this off for now. And I'll show you what I've been making, because this is pretty good, man. I wanted to show you guys this. So what did you do? Alright, what I did was I took these little guys here and I cut them open and I put some cheese slice on them, and then I put them in the oven and I warmed them up in the oven so that the cheese slice would melt all over it, right? So then the next thing that I do is I take the egg and I put the egg on top of it. I like where this is going. Yeah, it's gonna taste good. Trust me, it's gonna taste good. Sometimes you gotta fight with it a little. It doesn't want to come out of the pan, so you just put that on there. That's a nice big thick egg too. Are they Chansey eggs? No Chanceys were hurt in the production of this video. You didn't say no. Well, they say that Chansey eggs are the best egg. You better not hurt any Chanceys. I didn't hurt any Chanceys, and they practically give them away. So then I put bacon on them too. Sometimes you have to fold the bacon if it's too big. I put bacon on it. Oh, let's do this one. Yeah. Oh, trust me, these are so good. And then for these slices, I'll take them over here and kind of like pat them down a bit, so we get the grease off of that. There we go. But just to kind of show you where this is going, next I'll take the ketchup. And then you put the ketchup on it. Alright, there we go. Now you take this, and in this case we might have to turn the bacon sideways a bit so that like it fits. And then you close the bun on top of it. And then there you have it. It's like a little breakfast sandwich there. But this one's a heated breakfast sandwich, so it's a little bit different. And they do taste really good. I'll try one. Not good. I definitely recommend them. I'll save some for me. Don't eat all of them. Alright, but yeah, these are really good, guys. Like, look at that. Just look at how the cheese melts and everything. Oh, they're so good. I'm just thinking about eating them right now. Hey, save me some. Okay. But yeah, they are really good.